So I wanted to give a little update on the MyQ Smart Video Keypad that I installed a couple weeks ago and kind of give you some of my initial thoughts just since the last couple weeks. So let's get at it. Hey everybody, Robert here with A to Z Smart Home again. A couple of weeks ago I put in a MyQ garage video keypad, and as you remember, if you watch that video, the initial connectivity to the network gave me all kinds of problems. But once I got through that, the installation was pretty simple. It's been running now for 2 weeks nonstop. We actually get quite a bit of traffic in and out of the driveway, going in and out of the garage. When both of us leave for work, deliveries, it can even see cars going down the road, which it doesn't actually alert for that. So I'm really glad. It actually has to come into the driveway to alert. But one of the things I was very skeptical about, and actually somebody had made a comment on that original post, was battery life. I was very skeptical as well. I had read some reviews where people saying, oh yeah, I'm having to charge the battery every week or two. Which I found to be a little, I was skeptical about that because that just doesn't sound right. I have a lot of things that run with batteries. And the only one that I actually have to charge every 2 weeks is I have a Google Nest indoor-outdoor battery camera in my wife's office. Because where I have it mounted on the ceiling, or actually on the wall, there's no plug. So I don't have any way of keeping it plugged in. I have to go and, charge it every couple of weeks because her office gets a lot of traffic. And even though I've reduced the notifications and I've kind of narrowed things down as much as I can without just turning them off, which is kind of defeats the purpose, it seems like it's giving me a 2-week battery, which is insane. I'm going to have to figure something out because I'm not going to go over there every 2 weeks for the rest of my life and charge the Google camera. But that being said, that's a different video for a different day. This device here, so it's been running 2 weeks nonstop. I fully charged it when I first connected it, and it's sitting at like 87, 88% in 2 weeks. And that's with normal everyday in and out. That's with people coming up, making deliveries in the driveway. It's even catching bugs at night that happen to fly in front of it. And so to me, that's pretty good. I guess I figure at that rate, I should be able to get a good 90 days, maybe better, before I have to charge the battery. They do offer additional batteries, and they're like 35 or 40 bucks or something. So what I might do is just buy one of those and keep it charged. And then when it's time to charge it, just swap it out real quick and be done with it. Take, a few minutes, because it's just a little set screw on the bottom and the whole device pops off. Which again, that'll be another video for another day to show when I do that. But yeah, I've been really happy with this device. It gives me alerts when people come up into the driveway, come up to my garage door. The daytime video clarity on it is fantastic. I really like it. The HD video is great. The nighttime video works very well. Some people don't like it. Some people don't use it. I particularly do like it because the area around my house is pretty dark. We do have a street light, but there's a large tree, and a lot of times it blocks the light from that, so it gets kind of dark in that area. I also have right above the garage, which you can't really see it in the video from the keypad, but I do have a Google Nest garage door spotlight camera combo they came out with last year, and that works awesome. And it also has night vision as well. So not only am I getting a good overview, I'm getting it up close with the MyQ. Because the Google camera doesn't really get up close to the garage door. And I can't even see the corner where the keypad is. So these two devices actually complement each other really well. And it gives me a lot of peace of mind to know what's coming in and out of the driveway. In addition to that, being able to assign specific codes for specific people, being able to come in and out, most of it's family, is nice. I also have a code set up for, sometimes we'll have a friend of ours come over, they do some cleaning or whatnot. I can set a code for them. So, and I can set the code to only be active certain times of certain days. So it's very granular and it's great. I really have enjoyed using it and being able to monitor, you know, what's going on. So I'm going to have some pictures, and I'm going to actually download some of the videos from the camera so you can see the video quality. Not sure how well it's going to come across on a YouTube video, but at least you kind of get some kind of idea of what it looks like. So, but hey, I can thoroughly recommend this product at this point. Obviously, once we get 90 days in, or at whatever point I have to replace the battery or recharge the battery, I'll be doing another video update on that, so I could let you know exactly, you know, how long it lasted, and, you know, the process of getting the battery removed and recharged, or if I do buy an extra battery, you know, the swap process. But I think that's going to be pretty simple. So I definitely can recommend this product. So I'm going to put links into the description below. So if you go check it out, if you do decide to purchase one, as an Amazon affiliate, I do get commission on items purchased through those links. So I do appreciate the support, because that's kind of how we keep the channel going. The commission doesn't affect your cost at all. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up, and you definitely want to hit that subscribe button, because I got some more content coming up, some more unboxings, some more reviews, and some other things that I'm going to be doing that I'm going to get published. So really appreciate the support, and we'll see you next time.